Listen.
Open it.
I already have.
We're gonna open the door.
No, you're.
Yes, we are.
Dude, are you crazy? This is not acting. You're going to fucking hell.
We're gonna tase you if you try to fight us.
Listen. Open the door
Are
now.
you fucking stupid?
Back up now so nobody gets hurt. Do it now.
No, because you're not cuffed, bitch.
Back up.
You're not forcing me to shoot, Brennan.
Back up.
Trump, get
You're gonna
smart
get
with your
tased.
stupid bitches.
See the laser? We're gonna tase you.
Whoa! God!
Oh my God!
Drop the gun! I see your hands! Show me your hands! Put up the help call right now!
Scaring me to death.
Show me your fucking hands! Back up, back
A
up.
gun on the floor.
Back up.
A gun on the floor.
Over here, my side.
Get up.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands right now!
Oh my God, somebody get him! Oh my God, you're going to
Show us your hands.
Show me your hands right now!
He's got it.
897.
Oh,
897.
Come out right now!
Oh my God, please!
Get down on the ground! Come out now! Get a shield up here too.
Shield, shield,
You
shield.
got it in your car?
No. Oh, yeah, we don't.
Request one. Request a shield.
897, can I get a shield in my location?
Put out that she's uncooperative, still in the room.
What are you listening to?
897,
You're
your
the
nephew's
fucking
home, still in the
man.
room, she's uncooperative,
Don't say it.
secondary.
Show me your hands and come out right now.
No, I don't want to be around you. God, please! What the hell?
Ma'am, it's the police department. Can you come out with your hands up?
Thank you. No, you're not.
It's the police department. Come out with your hands up, ma'am.
I'll share places with you.
You're good.
Come on, ma'am.
You're not.
Come out right now, okay?
No!
897, negative.
Everybody okay?
Yeah. I'll switch them.
No, okay, you just communicate, okay?
Ma'am, do you need any medical attention?
Are you hit?
Do you need an ambulance?
Okay, if you can come out with your hands up, we'll bring an ambulance to check you out.
Oh my God, are you
Ma'am, we need you to step out with your hands up.
Deal.
Come out with your hands up, and everything will be okay. We'll get an ambulance for you. We'll take care of you.
Yeah, 897, all officers are accounted for. Have an ambulance to our location, there's a female under age, conscious and breathing, possibly subject to another shot. Standby.
What's your first name? We'll wait for a shield.
It's
She's
en
not-
route, he's en route with it.
She's not responding. We'll get the field with the shield to take a look,
Yes.
and we'll go from there, okay?
Ma'am, we're gonna need you to come outside with your hands up.
I'm leaving on my own.
Come on out.
Marina. No.
Come on out. We'll take care of you, okay?
I'm leaving. I need to gather my belongings.
Okay, well, come out here. We'll get your belongings in a second, but we need you to
No,
come
you're
out
not
first.
touching me.
Come on out. Come on out right now. Show me your hands.
Go out there, you guys good?
Show me your hands. She's got something
Show me your
covered.
hands, ma'am.
Show me your hands right now.
Ma'am.
I don't.
Somebody get the taser. Come over here right now. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. It's bad enough already.
My hand?
Show me your hands.
Touch me again.
Take that off your hands
I
right
don't know if you have
now.
anything else with you. We need to be
I
safe.
don't trust you. Get him away from
Hand covered
me.
with towel.
Everybody did. The whole world saw. Are you fucking crazy?
Come out with your hands up right now so we can get you medical attention.
I don't trust him. Get him away from me.
What's your name?
Julie Archer.
Julie, listen. You're not in any trouble right now. We just want to make sure that you're okay and that you don't have any injuries.
I don't want you around me. I want to get my shit and go and I'm a sucker.
Okay.
Just let me go. Yeah, for all you people.
Come on out. Come on out. Show me your hands.
I'm not leaving my stuff here.
We'll get your stuff. Show me your hands now.
To what hospital? More torture?
We'll take you to Northridge. What hospital do you want to go to?
Are you nuts?
There was a dispute over the room. We went and knocked on the door. When we opened the door, she pointed this at my heart as
Get
feeling.
away,
We
please,
shot started and now
Mama.
she's squeezing open the door for us. We don't know if she's
Come on out.
We have too many officers here. Let's get some witness.
I requested the shield.
You are not putting
We need somebody on the back. Where's the sheriff? Alright, we wanna.
Do we go to Shield?
You're listening to that shit.
Come on out.
He's good.
He's okay too?
Yes. Come on out. This is.
Give me a taser.
We have people.
Taser. Okay, you lethal, your taser. Your
She comes out again with that towel wrapped around her hand. Pop her with the taser, okay? It's covered. It's covered. Okay. So check it out. You watching Shield?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Directly to the right. She's in the bathroom. You're gonna put the shield and put it that way, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then we're gonna see if she's still got her hands covered. We're gonna pop it in with the taser. You understand?
She has a towel around her now. We don't know what she has under the towel.
Okay. You ready? Get the shield up. Julie, show us your hands now. You understand? Here. Can you see her?
Sir.
Keep pushing. Keep pushing. She's right there around the corner.
Right here to the right.
Julie, show us your hands right now. What do you see? What do you see?
She's wrapped with the towel.
Okay. You hands on?
Sir.
Give me 2 hands on, okay? Because we're gonna have to go hands on, all right?
These two are hands on.
Benji, your taser. Ready? I'm lethal. You guys are hands on. Move. Push her up against the wall. Push her in. Push her in. Don't move. Don't move. Give me your hands.
I'm not doing anything.
Give me your hands.
Okay, all of you.
Don't move.
What is going on?
Tossing blood, guys.
Please, you're scaring me.
Blood.
You're scaring me.
Give me your hands.
Ow. Oh no, this is awful, America. Do something.
Grab mine. Grab mine. It's okay. We got time. It's okay. Julie, you okay?
Oh no, that hurts.
Okay. Let's get her out of here.
Stay there, we're gonna put a closet.
Okay.
Oh my God, I can
She's
do
bleeding
nothing.
pretty good.
You guys go for it?
Code 4. Let's get her out. She's gonna need an RA. She's hit. Yeah.
Right wrist.
Come on.
Let the RA know. I already have it on standby. It should be coming.
Where's the blue shot?
Yo.
Let's get another officer with him. I want you to stay here. We're gonna take the filter.
Let's go, Pryor.